Hello, everyone. My name is Israel Arguello Jr., and today I will be talking about the Frontiers in Artificial Intelligence lecture. So, we've had a lot of different concepts of AI. For example, I did bring this up in one of my last videos that ChatGPT is one of those many open AI resources that a lot of people use. And as you can see, this thing is merely evolving as if it was its own human life form. And a lot of people this started getting a lot of attention when people started documenting their own work from their office, and even students from middle school started using it when it got to that point. So this is one of these topics that is heavily discussed when it comes to AI in general. And there's another system used in which I'd mentioned also this before, that there's this website called MusicGen, which simulates words and phrases and files that you want to use and make it into music. So when you bring that up, there you can also like make tons of collabs when it comes to MusicGen. You could make your own stuff. It's really interesting. It's really, really, really interesting. Because MusicGen is really a one of those websites where a powerful single language model redefines the boundaries of conditional music generation, and that's what makes it create high quality music and a little bit of vocalization too. In a nutshell, basically, the single language model, which also known as LM, is used for conditional music generation. It operates with compressed music tokens, which eliminates the need for multiple models. It generates high quality samples while guided by text or melodies. It also has extensive evaluative shows that makes music gen outperform baseline models. And there's a lot of studies that have said that the significance of the components of music gen have been highlighted for its interface and why it works. And as for the rest of the AI that's used, literally like this could be a perfect example. Riff Fusion is a perfect example of how AI is used nowadays. Literally, you can put any lyric you want and it can make anything. You can literally make anything you want here.
Yeah. Drawn to the bit.
You can literally make anything you want out of this. Like Riff Fusion is again a perfect example of what this is and how it should be. Um like I'm as I'm doing it now, you can even see like all these different options.
Drawn to the bitter.
So there's stuff like that. And then you get stuff like this, which is again text to music. And this is also very interesting. Wave Tool is another nice one that a lot of people use. And this one is really, really nice as well. So this one, for example, you can put like a piano, you can put um a violin, you can compose with AI too. So for example, if I put something like an epic melody mixes with the boss battle theme song, and that's basically the stuff that I'll make. So now if we do that, it should work because I don't think I know how to fix this too. And then for the guitar, I can put something like the guitar strings are soft and dramatic. I can do that. And then if we put yeah, this thing is basically you can make anything you want from these wave tool stuff. It's a bit complicated because I still haven't like figured it out, but basically this is where the music gen comes in because like the riff fusion that you saw and the wave tools that you saw here as well, um it really shows how artificial intelligence has grown, and it shows how people can sort of formulate itself into, I guess, making an animation entirely just out of complete AI and just making literally everything itself in its own way. And although AI art is not real art, it can still be generated in ways in which it can be used for concepts, it can be used for theories, renders, anything. Now, artificial intelligence can be derived from independent decision thinking, from rules, generating numbers, obviously machine learning because it takes a lot of programming. And then it can also determine whether artificial intelligence is just a concept, a mere fragment of how a human thinks. And this whole graph demonstrates and shows how artificial intelligence derives from each other. And then from the music gen, again, let's say we want dance, electronic, epic melodies, right? And then we convert a file. So we drop a random file that we find, and then we put it somewhere here. So we drop that file, right? And then we generate it. And once generated, it's going to make something in which is completely different. And that's why this stuff is very, very interesting because you never know what it will come up with. It's super interesting and it's super weird too. And as for more knowledge about the frontiers of artificial intelligence, it really just is about a huge group of people just coming together to make literally anything they want. Like from programmers to code to coding to hackers, like even hacking can also sort of stimulate artificial intelligence in a way. And there's even tons of societies, there's tons of groups that talk about the frontiers of artificial intelligence because it has sparked a revolution ever since the first signs of artificial intelligence became known to man. I believe the first sign of artificial intelligence um had to do with, I think, one of the most fastest working laptops, I believe so. But it all started back when it was in the 50s, so you can only imagine how strong artificial intelligence has become and just how advanced it can really be. And and then if we come back here, we can see that it's done being made. So there's that. And as you can see, that was really, really cool. I wish it was longer though, because I don't know, it seems really, really cool. And this can go on forever. Like this thing can literally, like, compared to the original, which is crazier, this one's more simplified, as you can see. So I basically turned this song, which was originally a heavy bass, rock alternative, dubstep song, into a dance electronic epic melody. And it drastically changed it in a way, surprisingly. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. And as well as the progress for my final project, I do want to incorporate this with a little bit of this, which is glitch art, and I'm very, very excited to show people as to what I have in store because this is crazy. Literally, it's very, very interesting. I could literally mess around with this all day if I can. Like literally all day if I can. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know if there's anything I must fix or anything that is wrong with the videos at all. I'll be sure to fix them when the time comes, and I will see you all later. Thank you all so much for watching, and bye.